First, you'll need to find your Insight SMS number. If you have texting enabled, your texting number will be displayed here. Clients will need to text this number for Insight to receive their message. Next, we'll open the text message inbox area. Check the box to use this feature. Texts sent by clients will show here. When your client arrives, they will text your Insight number. This screen checks for new texts every 60 seconds. Click refresh to check more frequently. Clients' texts will be received here. You can send a reply to either have the client wait in their car or invite them in. A preset "Please wait" message will populate. It can be edited and sent here. A preset "Come inside" message will populate. It can be edited and sent here. The client will receive the message and either wait or head inside.